Lesson 7, Playing in the Park.
Hi children, good morning to all. How are you? And I think you have read the lesson 7, Playing in the Park. And did you write and study the question answers? Yes, very good. Then only you can able to write the answers in a sentence without spelling mistakes. So you should write and study the question answers and the new words in your rough book. And we will discuss the grammar topics, the use of a or an. There are 26 alphabets in English and 5 sounds are there, vowels, and other 21 sounds are consonants. Before the vowel sounds we can use an. Before the consonant sound we can use a. And today we will discuss another textual activity. And they are given some words and we want to make a meaningful sentence using that words. So let us see. Look at the next. Red pen my. Is this okay? No, we want to arrange these words to make a sentence. So here which word is starting with the capital letter? Of course that is my. So we can make it first. My. Then my red pen, that is red. So my red pen. At the last our full stop. So my red pen, then finally full stop. Now it's a meaningful sentence. Look at the next set of words. That is he my, then full stop. Is this okay? No, which word is starting with the capital letter? Yes, of course that is he. So we can make it first. Then what? He is. He is my. He is my. Then dad. He is my dad. And finally full stop. Now this is okay. Now we can read the sentence. He is my dad. And finally full stop. Look at the next set of words. Is Ben sad? Is this okay? No. Which word is starting with the capital letter? Of course that is Ben. So we can make it first. Now is it okay? Ben is sad. Then finally full stop. Now the sentence is okay. So we can read the sentence like this. Ben is sad and finally full stop. So children, don't forget, whenever we are start to write any sentence, first letter should be in capital letter and at the last full stop.
Let us do a textual activity from page number 39. Rearrange these words to make complete sentences. Here they are given some words and using these words we want to make a meaningful sentence. First example they have already given. First one, the park Harry and Tina visit. So using these words, how did they write the sentence? They have written Harry and Tina visit the park. And look at the second sentence. They are given the words play on the swing day. In these words, which word is starting with the capital letter? That is they. That we can write first. So they play on the swing. We can write it like that. They play on the swing. Then finally full stop. The third set of words, Suman from the swing pushes Hari. So how to rearrange these words? That we can write it like this. Suman pushes Hari from the swing. See, whenever we are writing the name of any person in a sentence, the first letter should be in capital letter. Here you can see Suman, the starting letter S in capital letter, and Hari, the first letter H in capital letter. So whenever we are writing anyone's name, the first letter should be in capital letter. The fourth one, Harry, his leg hurts. So how to make it a sentence? First we can write Harry hurts his leg. Then finally full stop. Fifth one, they are given the words next day, place, the, with, no one, Suman. So which word is starting with the capital letter? The. So we can start with the next day, no one, place with, Suman. Then finally, full stop.
See children, if we like anything, what will we say in a sentence? We can say, for example, I like apples. So how can we say? We can say, I like apples. If you don't like grapes, what can we say? We can say, I don't like grapes. So if we like anything, we can use I like this or I like that. If we don't like anything, how can we say? We can say, I don't like that, I don't like cycling, and I don't like to go anywhere. So you can say that one. If we like anything, for example, I like mangoes, I like ice cream, I like chocolate. If we like anything, we can use I like. If we don't like anything, we can say I don't like. So children, we have completed our 7th chapter. What's the name of the chapter? Yes, playing in the park. I think you understood the lesson and the grammar topics, the use of a or an, and the how to make a meaningful sentence using jumble words. So practice this one and you should attend the test with this classroom and you should write the worksheet in the back side of your English notebook and practice that one. And don't forget to read the textbook, and at the same time you should write and study the notes. Till then, children, you must stay at home and stay safe.